Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel at TNE by Canada. Today, I'm very glad to introduce to you guys the newest model that we just got into our website, tnebike.com, which is the Deepower 20x4 fat tire. This is the folding bike, the newest model that we just got in 2025. I'm going to show you guys how to properly assemble it. Let's see how it's go, guys. Okay, so let's take the bike out of the box. Use the hoist over here to lift up the bike easier. In case you guys don't have the hoist like us, you guys can always cut the box here or even lie down the box and take the bike out, so it's going to be easier for you guys to take out the bike. The charger box here, take out all the foam. Down the front wheel, and the fender here. I'm gonna leave it to the side as well. This is your seat. Okay, so that's the last piece. Put the box to the side. Okay guys, so I have taken the bike over here so we have more space. I also put all the accessory and all the parts that we need to install on this bike to finish the assembling process over here. We have the front wheel, the fender, the seat, also foot bag, tool kit. So there's a wrench here, a set of Allen key. Assembling process on this bike is very easy, very straightforward. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do it. Okay, let's cut here. The battle is gonna mark the L, which is the left side, and the letter R, which is the right side. The thread is opposite to each other, so you guys have to be very careful on that. Side is over here, the right side is over here. I'm gonna use a partoon grease, that grease here, so it doesn't seize up on the crank. It's gonna say R here, right side, and also show you guys the direction, tight the battle, like that, to tie this up. Okay, so for the left side, counterclockwise, this, tied it. Let's moving on to the seat here. Very easy. You guys can tighten the screw here to make it tighter, then tighten it from here. Okay, light and the fender. Okay. Cut the zip tie here, take out the light, number 5. Okay, the 2 metal piece here, put it in the middle. It's gonna slide the screw, this part here. Okay, tighten it. Okay, so moving on to the next step, guys. This is gonna be the most tricky part. Move this handlebar like this, okay, in front of you guys. Move this. If you have another person, you can tell them to hold the bike for you guys installing the handlebar, because the wire here is very tight. You guys cannot lift this up and then install the handlebar, so you guys have to do this. Okay, lean this a bit to the side, and then remove this lock here, and then lock this to place. Okay, tied it. So that's how you guys install the handlebar. Lift this up, remove this to lock it to place here, and then fold this back. Okay, use a safety lock to lock it. All right, so that's for the handlebar. Remove this axle, we're gonna use the wrench number 17. Okay, counterclockwise, thing up, so should be out. All right, put it to the side. To install the front wheel, you guys have to locate the caliber here. So the caliber in this case is on the left side. Okay, so the disc should be on the left side. So firstly, you guys can remove all the screw here, the washer, and leave it to the side. Okay, you guys gonna hold the wheel like this, and if you have somebody with you, you can ask them to lift up the wheel for you, lever to align with the disc, and you guys can just rest the fork on the axle. Very easy. And then don't forget to put the washer back on. The washer gonna have a hook like this. It's gonna come into this hole like that. All right, and then another washer go in, and then the screw. Want the whole bike to be straight. You don't want it to be lean like this, so always keep the bike straight. And then to 15 wrench, one to hold this so it doesn't move, then one to tie this. Next step is to tighten the handlebar here. You guys can lean the display a bit forward. The two screw here, you can just tie it, then lift up the display again. And the last step is to pump the tire to 20 psi. You guys can use the pump with a gauge like this. Okay guys, so that's how you guys assemble this Deepower DP-A1. It's one of a very affordable but very powerful folding fat tire e-bike that we just got into our e-bike collection. In the next video, I'm gonna be reviewing the whole bike with you guys to see the performance and all the features on this bike. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and then stay tuned for that video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys.